Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to act fast. Enter a village with a villager who has worked at a job site or a bell in place. Once done, make sure you've traded with or leveled a villager to ensure it counts. You should also carry weapons, shield, and food because raids start serious combat. Mark the village center visually and remember that the raid trigger checks within roughly a 128-block radius, so position yourself inside that area before proceeding. Now create a bad omen effect by defeating a pillager captain during a patrol or at an outpost. This is the key trigger. Once you have bad omen, return to the village and enter its claimed area. This is what forces the raid to spawn. You should prepare defensive positions and set up high ground. Make sure to use choke points to control mob flow. If you want to manipulate difficulty, cure villagers or adjust game difficulty before entering. Fight through waves by prioritizing evokers and ranged threats, and keep villagers safe behind walls. Once you clear all waves, you'll receive Hero of the Village discounts and loot. Collect banners and totems carefully. If things go wrong, first check that you still have the bad omen status and that the village has valid beds and a bell within range. Sometimes shifting chunks or incorrect bed claims prevents the raid from triggering. If needed,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.